This is going to sound absolutely crazy coming from a guy who designs and sells men's clothing. Stop buying clothing. Stop it. You don't need any more. You don't need more spare parts. What you need to focus on, in my opinion, is a point of view. And let me tell you why. You do realize that you only use maybe 25% of your current wardrobe? Why is that? I'll tell you why. It's because you are buying looks and outfits. Stop that. So the next 6-month challenge I give you is to stop buying clothes, okay? And start thinking about things. And the first thing I want you to think about is stopping to buy clothes because you don't need any more clothing. Let's focus on your personal brand and discuss in entirety why you should stop for the next 6 months. So, over the next 6 months, we're going to do something. First and foremost, a little self reflection. Are you happy with your weight? If not, the next 6 months, maybe think about getting that sorted out. And think about your personal brand. What is it that makes you uniquely you? What impression do you want to leave on someone when you meet them, socially and professionally? And finally, what do you want people to say about you when you're not around? Think about these things. This is an exercise in helping you build your personal brand. Really find out who you are and get to a place where you're happy and comfortable. And just do not buy any clothes in the next 6 months. How about that? Can we do that? Unless, of course, you've lost a bunch of weight and you need to replace your wardrobe. But keep it very simple. Keep it very basic until we get through this exercise. Trust me, you're going to like it. You're going to like it. I promise you that. Next thing I want you to think about is assessing your wardrobe. After you've figured your own self out, which should take you a couple weeks, start looking at your wardrobe. Ask yourself, that 25% that I keep wearing, why do I keep gravitating to that? What is it about those pieces that make you feel your best, make you feel confident? And why do you keep going to that? And the other thing you need to ask yourself is why the fuck am I not using the other 75%? What is it about that? I guarantee you, you probably keep that all in your closet because you feel like a horse's ass for buying all that stuff. And it's just collecting dust. And look at all that money you just wasted. So now assess the closet. Really think about it. Why do you wear what you wear? What does it do for you? Is there a particular color range that you gravitate towards? Think about all of that. And the final thing I'd like you to do, imagine if you found a bottle that had a genie in it and the genie pops out and you got one wish, three, but one was about clothing. What would your perfect wardrobe look like and be like? Right? Think about that. What is the perfect wardrobe? And when you figure that out, these 6 months are gone by, call me, set up an appointment for a free consultation. That's right, free. I don't even care if you buy anything from us, but at least let us help you find the solution that you are looking for and build that perfect wardrobe for you. That is my gift to you. Yeah, no obligation, no strings, just helping you help yourself.